Wow, can you see? It's really nice. Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our review of this Fan OST or Fanost Tn88 smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here a new smartwatch. This is from Fan OST or Fanost. This is their Tn88 smartwatch. Okay, so here is the box guys. As you can see, it's in black. Alright, and it says here 316 stainless steel. Obviously super thin, play your way. And then also, we have here the logo. And at the back, so we have here the specifications. It has a 1.43 inch 46 by 46 HD screen, and the memory is 128 megabytes, and the battery capacity can last around 5 days endurance. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's open the box. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay guys, so let's open this one. Wow, it's really great. Okay, the packaging is really nice. Alright, so here we go. This is the manual. Wow, it's really colorful, and it's in both in Chinese and also in English. So if you have any questions guys, just refer to your manual. Alright, we have here what's in here. Let's check. Okay, so this is the charging cable. As you can see, it's magnetic. And voila guys, our watch. So it has two straps inside. So we have here the one in kind of leather. Okay, it's 22 millimeters strap, and we have here more like a silicone style. Okay, so let's set this aside, and we've got none. So okay, let's put them aside, and there you go guys, our Tn88 smart. It's very thin guys. I've never had a thin smartwatch here in the channel, and I think so far this is like the thinnest. So let's check this one out. Wow, can you see? It's really nice. It's really great. It's very beautiful. See, it's very thin. Okay, so let's try to turn it on. So I'm gonna charge this first guys, and let's go back later. Hey guys, we are back, and this is our Tn88 smartwatch. So okay, let's try to turn it on, and it has this Fan OST logo, and let's tap on English, and voila guys, this is really a perfect present, especially this holiday season. It's very sleek guys. I really like that it's so super thin. It's wow, I don't know, like a reference. So this is like the earphones, and see, it's really nice. All right, and okay, let's check. So this is like the crown here. So when you try to move the crown to the other side, it's kind of like this haptic feedback, and it change each. And voila guys, you can see the different features of the watch. So we have here the heart. Okay, so as you can see, it's like the sensors. Okay, we have sports. For the sports, run, walk, cycling, skipping, indoor cycling. Right, we have breath. This is for relaxation. And the oxygen. Okay, you can check this one when you wear this one or put this one on your wrists. All right. And we have your sleep monitor. Okay. Countdown, alarm, activity. We also have your stopwatch, news, okay, voice assistant, weather, watch face, find device. We have calculator as well, phone, calendar, photograph, brightness, screen time. What else? We also have our card holder, okay, and reset, SOS, reboot QR code. So when you want to connect this one to your phone, then you just have to really download the application through that QR code. All right, and I really like the design, guys. Okay, and by far this is like the thinnest smartwatch that we've ever reviewed in this channel in the year 2024. So now I'm gonna wear this one and I will show you what it looks like when you wear it. Alright guys, so I have actually chosen this dark leather here, and as you can see guys, it's pretty nice. Look at that. Alright, so if I'm gonna rate this smartwatch, guys, I'm gonna rate this as 10 over 10 so far. And like, I don't know, it's really perfect for me and it's really lightweight. So guys, if you're looking for a stylish smartwatch with an affordable price, then I could recommend you this Tn88 smartwatch from Fun OST. Alright, and then guys, if you have any questions about this smartwatch, and let me know about your thoughts, okay, by just commenting below. And then by the way, if you like this product guys, you can check the link in the description box and check them out. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you guys in our next review. Bye.